Work it, all of you! Work it with me!
What are you doing?
48 donuts is a new record! I ate 48 donuts!
Oh my. Hi everyone, welcome to our first video ever
Yes!
on this
Yes!
channel.
Yes!
I'm Emily or Wolfski. This over here is
Yes!
Hannah or Kittenness or Pop Tart Madness, whatever you choose.
Yes!
And we are Random Wolf Studios. Yay!
Yes!
Wait, we have 2 subscribers right now, but I'm very happy with that because we made this yesterday. So we're gonna need that. So today we're playing. You don't even know what map this is, do you? You know it's Find the Button. It's Find the Button Animal Edition.
With the Moi Compendo rooms?
Do you mean comprendo or pequeño?
Oh, pequeño! We've been taking Spanish for
7 years and you still don't know it.
the Spanish teacher. Like, she constantly scolds me, like, Hannah, no, follow where we're reading, Hannah. It's simple stuff, Hannah. Come on.
She's not that harsh on you.
Yeah, but it's her eyes say it all.
What? Anyway, so we're gonna get it started. Okay, how to play. There are 7 levels based on a mob.
Yes!
And where
A mob! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes, my dream has come true! A mob! Oh!
Guys, you can't see it, but she's giving me the craziest look in real life. And based on where you find them. Find the hidden button in each level. This can be played in single player or What are you doing? Multiplayer. Rules. Play in adventure mode and peaceful modes. Have fun. Yay! And this map was created by Matt H44. So let's just get it started.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, oink.
Look at that
Pig!
nose.
Oh.
Look at that nostril!
Look at them piggies.
You ruined it. You ruined the joke. It's over now.
Good, I needed you to stop.
What does this pig do? He's kissing the tree. They're in love. No, it's over. They divorced.
I think they divorced.
No,
What do you mean they divorced?
No, he fell off the tree. That means it's over. Whatever that was is gone now.
I found the button. Boop.
That's all.
Repeat. 3, 2 is 1. Don't fly, you fool.
What? Oh. Okay then. I found the button.
Good job. Polar bears. 3, 2, 1. Release.
Ah.
Guys, we are doing this We are doing this kind of fast, but don't worry. We have another map set up that we're gonna record later and post right after this. It takes longer because we tried it earlier to see how good it would be. I found the button, by the way. I just need to get to it, and yeah. So boop. 3, 2, 1. Peacock. Oh.
Peacock?
I said peacock.
It's the gobbler.
What?
The turkey, the chicken gobbler.
The what?
Look at it. Look at that red.
What, does it look
Flappy.
suspicious?
Yeah.
Oh.
I've gotten
Okay.
9 eggs. 9.
I has 4 because I'm not trying to.
I have 11. I have.
By the way, guys, does the audio sound okay? Does it sound okay?
Leave a comment down below.
Well, how else are they supposed to tell us? They're gonna grab us through the screen and say, "Yes, it sounds fine." Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly.
Yes.
That's how life works.
Yes.
You didn't know that?
I
found the button. It was at the start.
Oh, cool. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Howl. I said howl. That's the noise I make.
That face.
Look at your face.
What about my face?
It's kawaii.
Well, yeah. I mean, I hope so. That's what I was going for.
Oh, ew, bad.
Look at all
There's a
these
sign!
doggies.
Dogies?
Yeah.
Dogies.
Dogies. Yeah, that's how you say it. Everyone just-
Dogies.
Also, leave a comment down below if you say dogs or dogies.
I say doogs.
Well, you're strange. You're a strange child.
Thank you. I've always wanted to be that.
Oh, it's kind of like that joke one of my friends, or not my friend, like...
What do you mean not your friend?
Well, I don't want to say their name, but...
Yeah.
So someone made a joke and it was really funny. So, I was in the car on a road trip, and then, I'll just say it was one of my friends. So he looked at me and he said, I was telling him about how the teachers, they would say, do you want a demerit? And he said, what are you supposed to say? Yes, I would love a demerit. In fact, give me 2. Give me the whole pocket full. I would love a demerit.
Well, this is our channel, and the reason we named it, Random Wolf Studios is because this, for now, is our, YouTube channel, but she is gonna get hers soon, but don't worry, she won't leave. She'll be part-time here. And I will be part-time on hers as well, which means we come in every now.
Part-time! We'll also be on the this other channel. We'll leave a link in the description.
If we can find it. She said she's going to change her name. It's one of our friends. But she hasn't done it yet. So when she changes it, we'll do it. But yeah, and thank you so much to our 2 subscribers. I don't know who you are.
We'll have to look.
If you see this and you are one, comment down below and say that you are a subscriber. And like, thank you so much for like already subscribing. And yeah, I mean, that means a lot to us. Where is this button they speak of?
Is there a hint book?
Yeah. Alright. So like, seriously guys, thank you so much.
This is level 5.
Okay.
I think
It's Spruce Tree closest to Pixel Art. So this thing.
okay, so
It's over here. I found it. There we go. Oh, that sounded painful. 3, 2, 1, and move.
Oh my gosh! I can have milk! Because there's a cow. And
Yeah. But guys, we are gonna be doing animations here, and we each have our own furry OC that'll pop up in some animations. Or have their own animations. So we'll do like speed paints of those. What are they doing over here?
they're enjoying life.
Okay, and if you guys want to send us fan art, we'll try and find a way for you guys to do that. But once we do, we would love to see it.
If you guys know how to like give us fan art, then
Or they could just make a video and send it to us of them
Yeah,
drawing.
that would-
That would be awesome because that'd be like double support for us. But thank you. Thank you. Moo!
that was the worst.
I found one. 3, 2, 1. Ba. Ba 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 ba.
No.
Oh, I just now realized why it's so much harder for us to find the buttons.
What?
Wait, I noticed this a while ago, but I forgot to mention it. Remember they changed the colors, the buttons. Now we can have like different colored buttons.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's so right. You're so hard to find.
You're very...
You don't have to remind me. Found it.
Ah! Mushroom!
3, 2, 1.
Mushroom!
You have to wait for me to say go. You never wait for me to say go, and it's kind of like I feel cheated.
I found the button. It was under a mushroom.
Good job. Now wait.
It's a horsey.
Wait. That looks like a donkey photo. Whatever. 3, 2, 1. Now we can go. Nay.
Now that you finally decided to let me finish. You never let me finish saying 3, 2, and
Found it.
you always go. Ah! Melons!
Oh. God.
Out of my way!
Oh my god. I found it. I found the button.
No! Let me touch it!
Oh, it's over. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Melon!
We're gonna go record the next video, and then we're gonna post it right up for you. So, see you later. Bye. Say goodbye.